This is my dollhouse kit I bought. I bought a dollhouse kit. I found it on sale. This is the dollhouse kit I'm finna make. First thing you do is take out all your parts. And then you get the instruction booklet. This is the instruction booklet for the dollhouse I'm making. Lay out all of the items. Then you check them off, see what you have. Hello everyone. This is a beginning tutorial on how to build a dollhouse. I bought a kit on sale at Hobby Lobby's. This is the picture of the house I bought from Hobby Lobby's to put together. I took out all the items out of the box. These are the items that were in the box. These are pictures of the items that was in the box. And also there is a instruction sheet. Before you begin your project, you need to read this instruction sheet and look through it. On the cover of the instruction sheet, it gives you, on the first page of the cover, it gives you a list of the supplies that you may need. Or not need. And on the inside, it gives you a list of all the supplies. You take all your supplies out the box, like I took all my supplies out the box. Take them all out of the box. Then you check it with your instruction sheet. On the first page, it has, first two pages, it has what you're supposed to have. A list of everything, the sizes, the dimensions, and everything of what you're supposed to have in the box. Not only does it have a list of the items, also has pictures, also of what you would need to do this project. And if you happen to have a piece missing from your box, once you check it and make sure everything is there, I checked mine 2 times, 3 times to make sure I had everything. And I had you see the 2 circles I have there, I had circled those two items I had missing out of my box. I called the number on the bottom of the instruction sheet. There's a number on the bottom of the instruction sheet that you can call. I called that number and I let them know that I didn't have those 2 pieces. I thought I would have to pay for the pieces, but I didn't. I didn't have to pay for the pieces. I called the number and they just sent me the pieces that I needed to do my project. And it didn't cost me anything because I bought the kit, and she said it should have been included in the kit. Since it wasn't, she sent it to me. And now I'm gonna put it together. I will see you next time on how I begin the project. Thank you for watching. Bye. This Ladybug. Bye. Oh, and I forgot to tell you that I labeled. If you can see all the sticky notes, all the items, I labeled all my items. Every item I took out the box, I labeled them. to make sure, you know, I had all my items. I put a label on it. As you can see, put sticky notes on each one to say what it is. So when I start on my project, I'll know which one to get when I do this project. And this is all the floors and everything I needed for this project. And I also had a piece that they sent me to do this project. Thank you again. This is Ladybug. Bye. Hello everyone, this is Ladybug back with her dollhouse. This is Ladybug's dollhouse. Today I'm showing that I painted the ceilings, which is the bottom part of the floors, and I painted the back, front, the back, which is gonna be the inside. I did a basic color because I don't know what color I'm gonna do the rooms in yet. What the room's gonna be like yet. So I did them all in that basic color. So when I put it together, I have a starting point for when I do the rooms. I put it in like a basic color. All the rooms are basic color, and the floor is brown. And I put, as you can see, I put like little tape where the grooves is. That's where everything has to be glued together at. I didn't want no paint to get on there, so I put the little painter's tape in there for that. I painted. This is the paint. The next time I will put it together. I'll let you see that. I'll be putting it together. The floor and the sides and the back. Thank you for watching. This is Ladybug's Dollhouse. Bye for now.